good morning students. Children, as we discussed that different type of waste we generate every day, this waste has to be managed properly. What do you mean by management of waste? Management of waste means you have to collect the waste properly, then you have to treat them and you have to decompose them. Now what is collecting? Like waste is generated in all the places, isn't it? At homes, in offices, in factories and industries, in schools or colleges, other educational institution or shopping malls or your cinema halls, wherever you go, in the restaurants, in the hotels, everywhere, in the station, in the airports, wherever you go, you will see dustbins are kept. Why? Because wherever people will go, they will produce waste, they will eat something, throw them in the dustbin. At home, food will be cooked. In restaurants and hotels, food will be cooked. Then in offices, in colleges, in our schools, in other educational institutions, in factories, wherever people will be working or going to those places, even when we go to shopping malls or in the theatre halls, wherever we go, in the parks, in the places where we go and visit those places, we eat and we throw something, or maybe some waste product is generated here and there and it is thrown. Not only we throw waste products like things related to our eating items, but as you know that other materials also we throw, like paper, wood or dry leaves or whatever it is, means related glass or maybe other minerals. In factories and in industries, waste is generated when they do the production. That has to be also means taken out of the industries or factories. So you have to collect. It is the work of us to collect the waste and then we have to treat. Treat means we have to use in such a way that they are refined. Means waste will be generated in industries or factories. We have studied in the pollution that they have to be treated, and those chemicals, those things, that liquid waste or solid waste which the industries and factories are going to throw out, they can be treated. And in this way, what happened? Some byproducts are also produced. Nowadays, many factories, many industries are doing that. They are using the waste product to produce another product. And those waste material which they are dumping or throwing out has to be treated so that the poisonous material is taken out, so that it doesn't poison the environment. The soil if it is thrown in the soil, it loses its fertility. To stop those things, they are to be treated. They are to be in a way refined and decomposing. So you see that the waste is decomposed. They mix with the soil, they mix with the environment, so that the harmful substances in the waste are not spreading to animals, to plants and human beings. So waste management, children, is the practice of collecting, treating and disposing waste in order to protect the environment. We have to protect the environment. Waste will be generated every day, but we can do some alternative ways. We can find some alternative ways. We can do something which can keep our environment. To keep our environment safe, we should take some proactive measures. And this is how we treat the waste. We see that the waste which are non-biodegradable, if we be treated in such a way that the harmful substances are taken out and it can decompose easily, then it is called waste management. Children in towns and cities and in big areas, this is the work of the government agency to dispose the waste. You must have seen that big dumping trucks come to collect the waste. Actually, it is municipal committee or municipal corporation. In smaller cities and towns, we have municipal committee, and in bigger cities like the metros, like Ahmedabad or Surat, Baroda, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, all these have municipal corporation because it's a big city. So they are collected by the municipal committee or municipal corporation. It is a government agency which treat the waste material in such a way that it doesn't spread diseases in the areas where they are dumped. Okay, and it is the work of municipal committee and corporation to collect waste from the houses, from the localities, from the industry, shops, even shops also, children, business organizations, schools, colleges, other educational institute, all your entertainment places, hotels, everywhere. They collect the waste, they take it in a truck. Have you seen? I think you have seen. It is a covered truck where the waste is taken out of the city and dumped. So children, this is the work of the government agency. You have studied in 4th standard about municipal corporation and committee. You will say that what about the villages? Children, villages, actually we don't have such a, but yes, it is the work of panchayat to see that the waste is disposed properly. But since in villages people live in far off places, means there is not crowded, and they dump their things in, but of course it is the work of Gram Panchayat to look after that the waste is not disposed anywhere. And in villages also the population is increasing, and it is really, it should be taken care of. The Gram Panchayat also should take care of that. There is some allotted place where this waste is thrown out. Since in villages we don't hardly have industries and factories, but yes, the field waste, means in agricultural waste are there, and they should be dumped. So this is all about waste management. Thank you.